One of the biggest milestones in any travel content creator's journey is that first sponsorship or collaboration opportunity with a brand or a hotel that enables them to fuel their passion of creating and exploring the world while also getting paid for it. For me, this video is that milestone. I'm out here in Alberta, Canada, and over the next couple of days, I'll be staying in this beautiful hotel surrounded by the Rocky Mountains and filming some digital content for their social media, while also giving you guys kind of a behind the scenes on what it's really like to be doing a hotel collaboration and sharing some of my experiences. But mostly, it's just gonna be me having an epic time doing what I'm truly passionate about. So let's get right into this video, and we'll start from the beginning of this day so that you guys can truly feel like you're on this journey with me. I'm carrying like 3 really heavy backpacks right now. So there's my big backpack at the back, then I've got my camera back here at the front, and then I've got my other carry-on the side, and I'm also holding my jacket and my camera. So I just got up to the 3rd floor, which is where my room is, but I can't find my key packet where they put my room number, so now I have no idea which room I'm staying in. I feel like such an idiot. I completely lost the key packet. I still have the keys, so now I have no idea which room I'm in.
No worries. Well, if that makes it any better, in 306, a fantastic little room.
Awesome, thank you.
That's it.
Perfect, dude.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Alright, so I'm just about to walk into my room, and I want to give you guys a little tour. So that was a little tour of my room for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. What I really think makes this room so unique is the view that you get right out of the balcony with the mountains everywhere and the pool right at the bottom, which adds such good character to this whole landscape. Anyway, now I'm gonna go find a barber around in this town because I desperately need a haircut. This hair has been really bothering me for the last couple of days. So far, I've only really been to Banff and Canmore here in Alberta, but both these towns have so much in common. All the shops in both places are very rustic and have this very antique vibe. And other than that, one of the biggest things they have in common are the mountains. Both these towns are literally surrounded by mountains in all directions, and it's honestly just so incredible. Canmore is like the cheaper alternative to Banff because Banff is like way more touristy. All the popular ski resorts are located in Banff. For someone who's on a budget, they would usually stay in Canmore instead of staying in Banff because they can find like cheaper hotels. And it's only like 20 minutes a drive, so even if you're staying in Canmore, it really doesn't take you long to get to Banff. Good morning guys, it is day 3 here in beautiful Alberta. I had to kind of end the vlog abruptly last night. I went down for dinner and drinks and ended up having one too many drinks. So I came back to my room around like 2 a.m. or something, and I was pretty damn intoxicated, so I literally went straight to bed. I remember waking up around like 5 a.m. and I had my shoes on. That's really how intoxicated I was. But anyway, I'll make up for that today, so let's get this day started. going into the Sterling Grill and Lounge, which is the main restaurant here at this hotel, and we're gonna be having some breakfast there, and I'm gonna be filming it. Alright, so I literally ordered like 5 different things from the menu. Personally, for myself, I got myself an avocado toast, and the rest of the things are just to kind of fill up the table so I can get a good shot. I hate wasting food, so I did check with the server and she ensured that it's not gonna get wasted and the staff's gonna eat it. And also, I'm not really paying for it, so we're good to go. Alright guys, so I just got served my breakfast here on the table, and honestly there's just way too much food here. Let me give you a little tour of what we have here on the table. So we got an avocado toast here, which is what I ordered for myself. Then we got an order of French toast. Look how beautiful this looks. And honestly, I have no idea what this is. I totally forgot. Then we've got some charcoal waffle with it's like deep fried chicken thighs, and this was like a little scoop of ice cream. It's obviously melted now because it's been sitting here for like a few minutes. And we got a bowl of fruits, just berries and stuff, orange juice, some more fruits, some coffee. This French toast, guys, it's unbelievable. Like, it's so soft, and the berries on top just add such good flavor to this whole meal. Mwah. Guys, it's been a long but really fun day of filming. Right now it's around 2:30 p.m. I'm just making my way over to the pool and the hot tub, gonna get some shots over there. They're trying to stall the guests right now because we don't really want anyone to be using the pool while I'm filming, because obviously people might be uncomfortable. This is just so pretty. I literally keep getting distracted while filming just because I don't know how to take in everything that's around me right now. Before I wrap up the shoot entirely, I've got one more fun activity planned. Me and one of the staff members here at the hotel, his name is Charlie, we're gonna pick up some bikes and go on a bike ride around the hotel. There's some really cool trails around, and I'm gonna be filming him while he rides his bike. Day of filming. I'm finally back here in my room. My friend Lauren's gonna show up any moment, and then we're gonna go into the pool for a little swim, and I'm gonna be bringing my GoPro along so I can get some cool underwater shots. So I'm out here at this Mexican restaurant called Cabez Grande with my friend Lauren. We were supposed to go for a swim, but I realized that I was really hungry, so we thought that it would be better to get some food first and then go for a swim. Feels so amazing. The water is just so warm, and honestly it's actually pretty cold out right now, but it doesn't really feel like it while we're in the water. How does the water feel?
Warm.
Does it feel good?
Yeah, especially with cold rain.
I know, right? The rain actually feels so good because the water is really warm and the water from the rain's kind of cold, so it just adds like a nice little touch.